Now, when we say factorial, like for example, 0 factorial is equal to 1. 1 factorial is equal to 1. Then 2 factorial is equal to 2. 3 factorial is equal to 6. Paano nangyari yon? Kasi the gamma of 1, the gamma of 0, that is equal to factorial of 0, or that is equal to 1. And 1 factorial is equal to 1. Then 2 factorial is equal to 2 times 1 equals 2. 3 factorial is equal to 3 times 2 times 1, that is equal to 6. And then 4 factorial is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, or that is equal to 12 times 2, that is equal to 24, and so on. If the required derivatives is the same as the highest exponent degree of the given polynomial, then the resulting derivative is the numerical coefficient of the polynomial of the highest exponent multiplied by the nth factorial. If the required derivative is greater than the highest exponent of the degree, okay, sandali, hindi ko na makita. Mabasa. Degree of the given polynomial, then the resulting derivative is 0. So, makikita natin mamaya. Okay. Here is symbolically, we have the derivative. The first derivative, the process is derivative of y with respect to x. It can be written as dy over dx. Other symbol is equal to y prime. Other name is y prime. Okay, or derivative of y, other name is known as y prime. Then, second derivative, the derivative of y with respect to x, that is equal to the second derivative of y with respect to x, or that is equal to the second derivative of y, or y double prime. Then the third, the derivative of the second derivative of y with respect to x is equal to the third derivative of y with respect to x, or that is equal to the third derivative of y, or y triple prime. The fourth, the derivative of the third derivative of y with respect to x is equal to the fourth derivative of y with respect to x, or that is equal to the fourth derivative of y, or y to the fourth derivative. Okay, and the last, nth derivative. Okay, the derivative of n minus 1 of y with respect to x. X ang basa dito, hindi n minus 1. That is equal to the derivative or the nth derivative of y with respect to x, or the nth derivative of y, or y to the nth derivative. Okay, yun lang ang pagbasa niyan. Other symbols, and then paano binabasa. Okay, ano ko lang yung iba. Okay, so this time guys, punta tayo dito sa sunod. Okay, examples here. Find the indicated derivative of the given function. So, sa number 1, kinakailangan natin hanapin yung fourth derivative ng given function natin. Then, sa sunod, ang third derivative naman, ang pangatlo ay ang second derivative together with number 4 and number 5. So, let us now solve number 1. Okay? I will have to write ito na board. So, ang maganda, ano muna, pwede nyo i-screenshot yan para hindi tayo pabalik-balik. Bali, litratuhan ko lang yan para meron akong copy dito sa para hindi ako mamaya-maya i-share ko yung presentation natin. So, lilitratuhan ko lang siya. Okay. Yan. So, this time guys, pwede na tayo mag-start. I-admit ko lang si Gian Lopez at saka si Estorba. Okay. Ayan. So, tingnan kung visible naman. Okay guys, is that visible? Kaya lang medyo maanak. I-pababa ko lang kunti yung yung camera. Okay, see here. Is that visible? Okay, so let us now solve number 1. Okay. Our number 1, so I will have to write examples and then find the indicated derivative. Mas mahirap pa ngayon yung binibigay nila sa ng prof nila rin kanito eh. Okay, find the indicated derivative.
Sir.
Yun.
Medyo di po kita yung sa taas po.
Oh, sige, ano ko lang, imumove ko lang mamaya para
Sige po. Salamat po.
given function. Okay, so number 1, y equals 3x to the 5th minus 2x to the 4th plus 6x squared plus 7. Okay, ang hanapin natin ay the fourth derivative of y. Okay? So, yan. Okay, guys. Our example here is find the indicated derivative of the given function. So, our example number 1 has an equation of y equals 3x to the 5th minus 2x to the 4th plus 6x squared minus 5x plus 7. So what is required here is we are going to find the fourth derivative. So in other words, we start with the first derivative, the second derivative, the third derivative, and finally the fourth derivative. So our solution is we have to take first the first derivative. So the first derivative is denoted by y prime. Okay, y prime. Meron parang kudlit sa taas. Okay, then to solve this one, the derivative of 3x to the 5th, para madali, 3 times 5, lagay mo 15. Then bawas ng exponent to sa taas ng isa. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. O yan, tapos na siya. Then ito naman, negative 2 times 8, times 4 equals 8. Then x, bawas ng power sa isa, sa taas ng 4. So magiging 4 minus 1 equals 3 na lang. Okay? Then, plus 6 times 12. 6 times 2 rather. So that is 12. Then, x square minus ng 1. So bali, x na lang. Okay? Then, minus 5 times 1. Ang power doon sa taas ay 1. Negative 5 times 1, negative 5. Then, x raised to 1 minus 1. So magiging x raised to 0. X raised to 0 equals 1. So therefore, negative 5 times 1, the answer is 5. And the derivative of the constant is equal to 0. Okay? So, derivative of the constant is equal to 0. So, ibig sabihin yung first derivative natin, ito yung sagot. Okay? Then, punta tayo sa pangalawa. The second derivative of y. Okay, the second derivative of y is equal to 15 times 4. 15 times 4 equals 60. Then, x. Bawas na naman tayo ng power doon sa 4 na isa. 4 minus 1, dali na lang. Okay, yan. Then, ito, negative 8 times 3. Ang answer natin is negative 24. Then, x. Bawas na naman tayo ng power ng isa. So, magiging na lang siya. Okay, then plus. Ito, 12. Ang power niya sa taas ay 1. 12 times 1 equals 12. Then, ang x natin, x raised to 1 minus 1. So, x raised to 0. X raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, therefore, 12 times 1 equals 12. And the derivative of negative 5 is equal to 0 because that is considered as a constant. So, ito na yung second derivative natin. Then, fourth, proceed tayo sa third derivative. Yan. Okay? Or, bali, the third prime of y. Okay? So, 60 times 3, 180. Then, x. Bawas tayo ng power ng isa. So, magiging 2 na lang. Okay? Negative 24 times 2, negative 48. Then, bawas tayo ng power dun sa taas. X raised to 2 minus 1, magiging x na lang. Okay? Then, the derivative of the constant is equal to 0. So, ito yun yung 0 na. Hindi na natin ilalagay yan. Then, finally, The last one, the fourth derivative. So, ito yung fourth derivative. Or pwede nating ilagay na y 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan, fourth derivative. Okay? So, that is equal to 180 times 2. The answer is 360. Then, yung x natin, raised to 2, minus 1, so x na lang. Then, negative 48 times ang power nito ay 1. So, negative 48. Then, x raised to 1 minus 1 is equal to x raised to 0. And then, x raised to 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, negative 48 times 1 equals negative 48. And this is the final answer. Okay? Nakuha ba? Hello?
Yes po, sir.
Okay. So, punta tayo ngayon sa example number 2. Okay, example number 2. Okay. So, number 2, we have the function of x equals to square root of x and plus 15 fifth root of x squared and minus 4 all over square root of, rather, fourth root of x cubed. So, hanapin natin yung third derivative ng function of x. Yan. Okay? So, we're asked to find the third derivative of the function of x. So, ang solution natin, okay, kinakailangan wag tayo mag-shortcut kasi doon pag nag-shortcut tayo, doon tayo nagkakamali. Unless na may mastery na kayo pagdating dito. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do, kinakailangan yung radicals natin, i-convert natin sa exponential. Kasi minsan nahirapan kayo talaga kapag halimbawa express in terms of radicals. So pwede natin isulat, function of x equals to, then square root of x is equal to x raised to 1/2. Ayan. Then, plus 15. Then, the fifth root of x squared is equal to x raised to 2 over 5. Ayan. Then, ito iangat natin, minus 4. Pwede natin iangat ito sa magiging x raised to negative 3. Itaas yun, negative 3 all over 4. So yun ang ibig sabihin. Ito magkapareho lang. Bakit naging negative? Kasi ito nasa baba. Kapag inangat natin, magiging negative siya. Okay? So ngayon, ito ay nasaan yun ng katulad dito. Which is madali na lang siya i-derivative. Okay? So kailangan natin ang tatlong derivative. So unang-una, the derivative of the function of x. Okay? So, the same procedure na ginawa natin, yung numerical coefficient, i-multiplied natin sa power. Okay. 2 times 1/2. The answer is 1. Okay. Then, x raised to 1/2 minus 1. So, ang sagot natin ay negative 1/2. Okay. Yan. Okay. Para hindi kayo mahirapan, x raised to 1/2 minus 1. Yung minus 1, pwede yung gawin 2 over 2. Kaya, rather, 1 minus 2 is equal to negative 1 all over 2 kasi common ang denominator. Then, sumunod. Ito. Plus 15 times 2 fifths. Okay. So, bali 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. Nakuha ba? Okay. So, ilalagay natin dito, bali 6 na siya. 15 times 2, 30. Divided by 5 is 6. Then x, 2 over 5 minus 1. So, Ang ilalagay natin kasi ang denominator natin ay 5, pwede natin ilagay na 2 minus 2 over 5 minus 5 negative times negative, negative 4 times negative 3, positive 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So positive 3. Then x raised to negative 3 over 4 minus natin ng 1 or 4 over 4. Sana kumuha ng 4 over 4 dito sa denominator. Okay, so therefore we have x raised to negative 1 half, then plus 6x raised to 2 minus 5, negative 3 all over 5. Then plus 3x, negative 3 minus 4, negative 7 over 4. Okay, so makikita natin ang mga power natin ay puro negative. Okay, since hindi pa naman yan ang kinukuha natin kasi the third derivative, hayaan muna natin yan. Okay, so punta ngayon tayo sa okay, sa second derivative, ito na. Ang numerical coefficient dito ay 1. 1 times negative 1 half, ang sagot natin ay negative 1 half. Then x raised to negative 1 half minus 2 over 2. Kasi ang denominator natin dito ay 2. Then plus 6 times negative 3 over 5. Okay, 6 times negative 3 over 5. Then x raised to negative 3 over 5 minus 5 over 5. Okay? Then plus 3 times negative 7 over 4. Then multiplied by x raised to negative 7 over 4 minus 4 over 4. Okay? So, doon lang natin pinagbasehan sa denominator, ha? So, therefore, this is now equal to negative 1 half. Then, x, negative 1 minus 2, negative 3 over 2. Then, negative 6, or rather 6 times negative 3, negative 18 over 5. X raised to negative 3 minus 5, negative 8 over 5. Okay? Then ito, 3 times negative 7, negative 21 over 4. Then x, negative 7 minus 4, negative 11 over 4. Okay. So, hayaan muna natin yan kasi nasa derivative pa lang tayo. So, punta tayo ngayon sa third derivative. The third derivative of the function of x equals, okay, negative 1 half. Multiplied natin ang power na negative 3 halves. Then, x raised to negative 3 halves minus 2 over 2 kasi ang power ay denominator niya ay 2. Then, minus 18 over 5. Multiplied now by negative 8 over 5. Then, x raised to negative 8 over 5 minus 5 over 5. Ayan. Then, sumunod. Ito, negative 21 over 4 times negative 11 over 4. Okay? Then times x raised to negative 11 over 4 minus 4 over 4. Okay? So, simplifying this value, the third derivative of the function of x equals negative 1.
Yes, gusto mag-mute.
Ang sagot natin ay positive 3 over 4. 3 over 4. Then x raised to negative 3 minus 2, negative 5. over 2. Okay? Then negative 18 times negative 8. So ang sagot natin ay positive. 8 times 8, 64. So 4. Then 6. 8 times 1 is equal to 8 plus 6, 14. So 144 over 5 times 5 equals 25. Then x, negative 8 minus 5, negative 13 over 5. Yan. Next, kumunod. Negative 21 times 11. Okay, so ano sagot natin dito? Equals negative. Okay, 21 times 11. 1, 2, 1, 2. So that is equal to 231. Negative 231. Okay, tanggal na natin to. Negative 231 all over 4 times 4, 16. Then x, negative 11 minus negative 4. Answer natin is negative 15 over 4. Okay, so simplify na natin kasi lahat ng sagot natin ng x ay naka-negative. So kailangan natin yung power niya ay naka-negative, kailangan maging positive yan. So therefore, ang sagot natin dito ay ito. The third derivative of the function of x should be expressed in positive value, yung power. So we have 3 all over 4, then x raised to 5 over 2. X raised to 5 over 2. Then sumunod, positive 144 all over 25. X raised to 13 over 5. So naging positive na siya. Then sumunod, negative 231 all over 16. X raised to 15 over 4. Then the last one is equal to, yun na lang pala. Okay, tama ba? 3, 2.
Sir, may tanong ako, sir.
Yes.
Bakit po negative? Tinimes po sa negative yung 21.
Ano number?
Yung
21
sa-
times 11 po.
21
Opo. 21 over 4 times 11 over 4.
Okay. 21 times 11, that is equal to 431. Negative.
Hindi po, sir. Kasi yung pag i-derive po, negative 11 over 4 po yung exponent.
Okay, sandali ha. Okay, tama. Negative 11 ito over, ayan. Okay, so pakiano lang ha, correction. So positive. So this one is positive. Ayan. Okay, so the answer is 3 over 4 x raised to 5 over 2 plus 144 over 25 x raised to 13 over 5. And the last one is positive 231 all over 16 x raised to 15 over 4. So ito pala yon na ano ko yung 11, negative 11 times 4. So that is equal to negative 21. Okay, nakuha na natin 21 over 4, this one. Then, i-multiplied natin na negative 11 over 4, tama. Then, 11 over 4 minus 4 over 4, tama. So, that is correct. Okay? So, this is the answer. Okay, so any question with regards to this? Punta na tayo sa number 3.
Sir, excuse me lang po. Masyado po atang mababa yung camera.
Sir, paangat po ng camera po.
Masyadong mababa. So, sige.
Po, sir.
Lang.
Thank you po.
Okay, so yan, kita na. O masyado tumaas.
Masyadong tumaas, sir.
Yan. Okay na siya?
Okay na po.
Okay. Sige. So, any question with regards to problem number 2? So, wala. Okay, now let's proceed with our example number 3. So, number 3. Y equals x all over 2x plus 1. Okay. Ang hinahanap natin dito ay yung second derivative ng y. Yan. Okay. So y equals x divided by 2x plus 1. So we're looking for the second derivative of y. So ang solution natin, nakopya na ba ito guys? Kasi naharangan ko kapag magsulat ako doon. Okay, nakopya na ito. Okay na?
Lang po, sir.
Sige.
Okay na po, sir. Thank you.
Okay na. So this time guys, we will have to solve number 3. Okay? So number 3, pwede tayo magkaroon ng dalawang solution dyan. Okay? So, pwede nating solution muna natin, solution 1. Okay, by quotient formula. Okay, recall natin derivative of u all over v. That is equal to v derivatives of u minus u derivatives of v all over v squared. Okay, so let u, ang value natin ng u ay yung x. Okay, derivative of u is equal to 1 because derivative of x is equal to 1. Okay? Then, punta tayo dito sa v. Ang v natin ay 2x plus 1. Derivative of v is equal to, derivative of 2x is equal to 2 and derivative of 1 is equal to 0. So therefore, 2 na lang. And then the last one is our v squared. V squared is equal to 2x plus 1. So, yun yung value niya. Square yan ha, naka-square kasi square yung V. Okay?
Sir, papasok daw si kaklase namin.
Sige, bali, admit ko. Okay? So, this time guys, ang gagawin lang natin, lahat ng mga sinulat natin dyan, we have to plug in to our formula. V derivatives of u minus u derivatives of v all over v squared. So therefore, the first derivative, sulat natin y. First derivative is equal to v. Ano yung v natin? 2x plus 1. Then du, ang du natin is 1. Then minus, ano yung u natin? X. Multiplied now by dv. Ang dv natin is 2. All over v squared. 2x plus 1. Square. Okay, so simplify natin. Derivative of y is equal to 2x plus 1 equals 2x plus 1. Then minus 2x all over 2x plus 1 squared. So this is now equal to, cancel yung 2x. Ang natira na lang ay 1 over 2x plus 1 squared. Ayan. Okay. So ngayon, may another set na naman tayo ng formula. Set naman ng, set of variables na gagamitin natin dito. So again, let u, kasi hindi pa tayo nag-second derivative. let u is equal to 1. Derivative of u equals 0. Then sumunod, v, or v is equal to 2x plus 1 squared. So therefore, dv. Anong dv natin? That is 2. Then 2x plus 1. Derivative ng 2x is equal to 2. So ang sagot natin dyan ay magiging 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 times 2x plus 1. So, dv now is equal to 4 times 2x, 8x plus 4. Okay? Now, how about our v square? So, v square is equal to 2x plus 1 squared, then square ulit. So, ang sagot natin ay 2x plus 1 raised to 4. Okay? So, yun yung value niya. Either itong gamitin natin o kaya yan. Pwede naman ito. Okay? Pwede naman yan. So, therefore, guys, substitute na natin sa formula. Second derivative of y is equal to v. Ano yung v natin? Ayun, 2x plus 1 enclosed quantity squared. Ano ang du natin? Du natin 0. Then minus, ano yung u natin? 1. Okay? Ano yung dv natin? Ang dv natin ay ito. Pwede natin ilagay ay 4 times 2x plus 1. Okay? Then all over, ito yung v square natin ay 2x plus 1 raised to 4. So ito, 2x plus 1 squared times 0, 0 na yan. Then minus, so lalabas dito, second derivative of y equals negative 1 times 4 times 2x plus 1 to negative 4 times 2x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1 raised to 4. So ito ay makakancel ito, makakancel yan. So ang lalabas ay negative 4 all over 2x plus 1 cube. Okay. So yun yung sagot niya. The second derivative of y is equal to negative 4 all over 2x plus 1 enclosed quantity cube. Okay na? So, pwede ko nang burahin ito yung number 1. Okay? Kasi pupunta tayo sa second solution natin, alternative. Okay, nakopya na ito. Okay, guys.
Yes po.
Okay, sige. Okay, so punta tayo sa alternative solution natin. So, lagyan natin ang alternative solution dito. So, alternate solution. Okay, so ang given natin, we have the number 3, y equals x all over 2x plus 1. Okay. So, kukunin natin ang second derivative niya. Yan. So, ang gagawin natin, guys, maglagay tayo, iaangat natin ito. So magiging ang solution natin is like this one. Okay. Y equals X. Iaangat natin to, ang power niya ay 1, magiging 2x plus 1 raised to negative 1. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, i-admit ko lang yung iba. So, ang gagawin natin, meron tayong, recall natin yung multiplication rule. Okay, recall.
Sir, sali daw, sir.
Ah?
Sali daw, Kian.
Alin? Sali si?
Kian.
Okay na sir, na-admit na po.
Admit ko na. Okay. Recall natin yung derivative of u times v. That is equal to u derivatives of v plus v derivatives of u. Ayan. So mag-let tayo. Let x is let u. I mean, ang u natin ay si x. Ayun. Derivative of u equals derivative of x equals 1. Okay? Then, sumunod. What is our v? Ang v natin ay 2x plus 1 raised to negative 1. Okay? Derivative natin ng v is equal to negative 1. Okay? Times 2x plus 1. Then, negative 1 minus 1, negative 2. Derivative ng 2x plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay? So, therefore, ang sagot natin sa dv is equal to negative 1 times 2, negative 2. Then, that is equal to 2x plus 1 raised to negative 2. Ayan. So, now, how about our, meron tayong v at sa dv. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, i-plug in na natin doon sa solution natin. So, again, the derivative of y is equal to u. What is our u? X. Then, how about our dv? Ito, multiplied natin ng 2 times 2x plus 1 raised to negative 2. Okay? Then plus v. Ano yung v natin? 2x plus 1 raised to negative 1. Then how about our du? Our du is equal to 1. So therefore, derivative of y is equal to 2 times x is 2x. Multiplied now by 2x plus 1 raised to negative 2. Okay? Then, ito naman, i-add natin. So, that is equal to 1 times this 1. So, yun pa rin. Plus 2x plus 1 raised to negative 1. Okay. So, dito na naman, meron tayong dalawang quantity. Ito yung u natin. Okay, guys? So, let u equals 2x. Derivative or du is equal to derivative of 2x equals 2. Okay, then our v is equal to 2x plus 1 raised to negative 2. Derivative of v equals negative 2 times 2x plus 1. Then minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Derivative ng 2x is equal to 2. Derivative of 1 is equal to 0. So, 2 na lang. Therefore, dv is equal to negative 2 times 2 negative 4 times 2x plus 1 raised to negative 3. Okay. So ngayon, substitute na naman natin doon sa formula na yon. So second derivative of y. That is equal to u. Ano yung u natin? 2x. Then our dv ito times negative 4 times 2x plus 1 raised to negative 3. Okay? Then, sumunod. What is our v? Ang v natin ay ito. Plus 2x plus 1 raised to negative 2. How about our du? Our du is equal to 2. Ayan. So therefore, ang mangyayari dito ay ito na. 2x times negative 4 is equal to negative 8x. Then times 2x plus 1 raised to negative 3. Then this one plus 2. Then we have multiplied by 2x plus 1 raised to negative 2. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin, i-factor natin. Kasi kung naman yung factor nito. So, ito, that is equal to 2 times 2x plus 1 raised to negative 2 multiplied now by 4. Okay. 4x. 2x plus 1 raised to negative 1. Okay? Ayan. So, dahil multiplication siya, pwede natin siyang, okay, ito ay negative, rather, this one negative. Okay. Dahil multiplication siya, pwede nating, sandali, yung 4, 8x, okay, 2, 4, okay, 2, so that is equal to, okay. So tingnan natin guys, ito pwede natin ibaba. Okay, so mayroon ba tayong mali dito? Mayroon ba tayong kulang? Okay, kasi pwede na natin itong baba.
Or yung sa po,
1,
yung sa
then 2x plus 1. Ang natin ilagay ay 2x plus 1. Okay, negative 2, negative 1, so 3. Okay, so this one magiging 2 times 4, negative 4x. Sandali lang ha, baka mayroon tayong kasi ang sagot natin doon sa kabila ay negative 4 over 2x plus 1 cube. Okay. Kasi dito lalabas.
excuse me po.
Alin?
Sa po, yung sa first derivative po dun sa taas, yung sa derivative of, derivative of d po, po yun dun sa negative po siya.
Negative 2x.
Sandali. Is this one, itong part na to, o dito?
Doon po sa may taas po.
Taas, okay.
The derivative of d po.
Ay, tama. U is x, derivative of this one. This one naman will be 2x plus 1 raised to negative 1. Derivative of b is equal to negative 1 times 2x plus 1 raised to negative 2 derivative of 2.
Yung negative 2 po, positive po yung nakalagay din sa
Negative 2 po dapat.
Negative 1 times 2, negative 2. Then we have 2x plus 1 raised to 2. Tama siya. Then pagdating dito, nung na natin, sinubstitute na natin, that is equal to x. U is x multiplied by
Negative 2 po.
PB. Ang PB natin ay negative. O bakit ito positive? Yan. Ayan. Negative 2x times, negative 2 times 2x plus 1 raised to negative 2. Then, what is our b? Ang b natin ay 2x plus 1 raised to negative 1. Then, how about du? Du natin is 1. So, therefore, negative 2x, yan. Negative 2x times 2x plus 1 raised to negative 2. And this one is okay. Ngayon, ang u natin is negative 2x. Yan. Derivative of negative 2x is equal to negative 2. Yon. So, ang b natin is 2x plus 1 raised to negative 2. Therefore, ang db natin is negative 2 times the quantity of 2x plus 1 raised to negative 3. Derivative of 2x plus 1 equals 2. Okay? So, negative 4 times 2x plus 1 raised to negative 3. So, dito na ngayon, ano na natin? Our u is equal to negative 2x. Yan. Okay? And our dv is equal to negative 4 times 2x. Tama? negative 4 times 2x plus 1 raised to negative 3. And our v is equal to 2x plus 1 plus quantity raised to negative 2, then multiplied by du. Du is negative 2. Okay? So therefore, this one is positive 8x. Okay na yon. Then this one is negative 2. Okay. So therefore, ang ano natin, ang value natin ay ito na siya. Inactor natin. So that is equal to negative 2x or negative 2 times x plus 1 raised to negative 2. Then multiplied natin ng positive 4x. Then, magiging 2x plus 1 raised to negative 1. Okay, tama. Then, this one guys, pwede natin ibaba natin siya. So, magiging 3. And therefore, mayroon tayong negative 2 times 4x. Dapat ito ay negative 8x. Tingnan natin ha, i-check ko yun. Okay. Nakuha nyo? So, that is equal to negative 2 times 4x, negative 8x. Okay, tingnan ko dito. Okay. This one, ito ay magiging, okay, x cubed, 0, negative 4. So, tingnan natin ang second derivative of y. So, bali, b. du is equal to 0. Then minus 1. And then our dv is equal to 4x, 4 times 2x plus 1. Tama ba siya? Okay. All over 2x plus 1 raised to 4. Then, negative 4. Then, 2x plus 1. All over, tama naman siya. That is equal to negative 4 all over 2x plus 1 cubed. So, what happened to this one? Okay. Meron tayong something wrong with this.
Sir. Di na po ba i-derivative yung 2x plus 1 raised to negative 1 po? May unang derivative po.
Anong part? Sa second part or sa first part?
First part po, yung, ayun po, sa may, parang dulo na po ng first part po.
Ito, yung u, derivative. So, yung derivative dati.
Sa baba pa po.
Ito, yung v, derivative dito is negative 1. That times 2x plus 1 minus 2, minus 2. Derivative ng 2x plus 1 is equal to 2. So, magiging negative 2. Then multiplied by 2x plus 1 raised to negative 2. Tama naman siya. Okay, sana nagkamali dito. Then x equal to, okay, ang u natin multiplied by dv. Ang dv natin ay ito. Negative 2 times 2x plus 1 raised to negative 2. Plus, yung v natin is equal to 2x plus 1 raised to negative 1. Then du is equal to 1. Tama naman siya. Okay, so that would be equal to, kasi hindi natin simplify. Okay guys, we will have to simplify this one. Okay, tingnan ko ito. Okay, yan muna. So here, that is equal to derivative of y equals negative 2 times x. Okay, negative 2x. Then, ito ngayon, ilalagay natin na multiplied by, ayun, 2x plus 1 raised to negative 2. Yan, lagay muna natin dyan. Then plus 2x plus 1 raised to negative 1. Okay. So, at this point, guys, pwede natin isulat siya ng ganito. Derivative of y is equal to negative 2x all over 2x plus 1 raised to 2. Then plus 1 over 2x plus 1. Okay.
Pasok na po.
Meron? Okay.
Sir, hindi rin po masyado nakikita, sir, yung ano, yung nakasulat po.
Mamaya, ano ko yan. Okay. Dito, simplify ko lang. If we can be able to multiply this one, so magiging ganito na siya. Derivative of y is equal to negative 2x times 2x, negative 4x squared. Okay? Then, negative 2x plus 1 is equal to negative 2x. Then ito, i-cross-multiplied natin, that is plus 2x squared plus 1 squared times 1. So magiging ano pa rin siya? 2x plus 1 squared all over 2x plus 1 raised to 2 times 2x plus 1. So magiging 2x plus 1 cubed. Okay. So, kapag inano natin to, sinimplify natin ito, magiging y derivative is equal to negative 4x squared minus 2x. Okay? Then ito, plus. Anong value nito? That is equal to 4x squared. Then, plus 4x plus 1. All over 2x plus 3. Cube. Okay? Plus 1 cube. Okay. Yan. So, makikita natin ito, magka-cancel ito. Magka-cancel yan. Then, negative 2x plus 4x equals, magiging derivative of y is equal to 2x na lang. Plus 1. Okay? Then, all over 2x plus 1 cube. So, makakancel natin ito, makakancel natin yan. So, lalabas siya, magiging y derivative is equal to 1 over 2x plus 1 squared. Okay? So, ngayon, dahil hinahanap natin ang derivative ay yung second derivative. So, pwede nating second derivative, iaangat na natin siya. So, bali, 1 times magiging 2x plus 1 raised to negative 2. Okay? So, therefore, derivative natin, that is equal to negative 2 times 2x plus 1 raised to negative 2 minus 1, derivative na nasa loob is 2. 2x plus 1 is 2. Therefore, derivative of y is equal to negative 2 times 2, negative 4. Then, 2x plus 1 raised to negative 3. And thus, ito na, second derivative of y is equal to negative 4.
Okay na po.
2x plus 1 raised to q. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, the reason why dito, kasi tuloy-tuloy ang ginawa natin. Hindi natin muna simplify isa-isa. Tuloy-tuloy siya. And remember, kaya nga, itong formula na to, this is very important, guys, yung quotient formula because multiplied by x plus 1 raised to negative 1 half. Okay, then all over b squared, that is x plus 1. Okay, so simplify na natin. This is now equal to derivative of y is equal to x plus 1 raised to 1 half, then minus ito, x all over 2. Then, ibababa natin to x plus 1 raised to 1 half. Magiging positive na siya. Then, all over, this is derivative of y. All over b squared, x plus 1. Okay? Now, after that, guys, pagkatapos dyan, so, i-simplify din natin siya. So, ito mag-cross multiply doon. That is now equal to derivative of y is equal to x plus 1 raised to 1 half multiplied by 2 times x plus 1 raised to 1 half. Ang sagot niyan ay 2 times x plus 1. Kasi square root times square root, so magiging, ano na yan, 2 over 2, so magiging 1 na lang siya. Then minus x all over x plus 1. Okay, so dito, kapag simplify na natin, that is equal to 2x. Then 2 times 1 plus 2 minus x. Okay, all over, ito, bababa. Meron pa tayo dito all over, sorry, this one. Aside from this, meron pa tayo 2 times x plus 1 raised to 1 half multiplied by x plus 1. Okay? So, ito kasama pa ng 2 times x plus 1 raised to 1 half multiplied by x plus 1. Okay? So, therefore, ito magka-cancel to, magiging ano na lang. Y derivative is equal to 2x minus x. That is my answer natin is x plus 2. Okay, all over 2x plus 1 raised to 1 half times x plus 1. Yung x plus 1, dahil ang ano nito, ang denominator ay 2, pwede natin isulat ng 2 over 2. Okay? So therefore, magiging ganito na siya, derivative of y is equal to, okay? That is equal to x plus 2 all over 2. Ito ngayon, magsama. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So that is equal to x plus 1, then 3 over 2. Okay? So, yun ang sagot. Okay. So, u, titignan ko ulit. Ang u natin is x, derivative is 1. Then yung v natin, x plus 1 raised to 1 half. Derivative natin is 1 half x plus 1 raised to negative 1 half. So, or that is equal to 1 half x raised to negative, x plus 1 raised to negative 1 half. And then v natin square is equal to x plus 1. Then v, ang v natin is equal to x plus 1 raised to 1 half. Ang du natin is equal to 1. Then our u natin is minus u, that is x, negative x, times dv. Ang dv natin is 1 half x raised to negative 1 half. All over b square x plus 1. So, therefore, it becomes now derivative of y is equal to x plus 1 raised to 1 half. Then, hindi na natin kasi multiplied by 1 is yun na rin. Then, ito, 2 negative 2x, negative x times 1 is negative x. Yun. All over 2, ibababa natin. Power niya magiging positive. Times 2x plus 1 raised to 1 half. All over x plus 1. Okay. I-cross multiply yan. So, magiging 2 times x plus 1 raised to 1 half times x plus 1 raised to 1 half. Ang sagot natin ay 2 times x plus 1. Kasi 1 plus 1 equals 2 divided by 2. Ang sagot natin ay 1. Minus x all over this 1 at this 1. So, magiging 2 times x plus 1 raised to 1 half times x plus 1. And therefore, distribute natin 2x times 2 plus 1 equals 2. Okay? Or 2 times 1 equals 2 minus x. So, lalabas ay divided by 2 times x plus 1 raised to 1 half multiplied by x plus 1. Okay. So, dito, maka-cancel natin si 2x minus x equals x na lang. Then, plus 2. Okay. And this 1 over 2x, 2 times x plus 1 raised to 1 half. Then ito, since ang denominator nito ay 2, at ito ay 1, so magiging 2 divided by 2 para parito. And therefore, x plus 2 all over 2 times 1 plus 2 equals 3 all over 2. So, kaya times x plus 1 raised to 3 halves. Okay? So may tanong, wala? Dali, ano ko lang. Silyo Checo. Okay.
Sir, yung sa DV, sir, saan po nang galing yung quantity na 1?
EV. Okay, sana. Dito, EV. Sana. Ito. Kasi, ito muna, 1 half times ang numerical coefficient ko ay 1. So, equals 1 half. Then, x plus 1, magpa-minus ka ngayon ng n minus 1. So, 1 half minus 1 is equal to negative 1 half. Derivative ng x plus 1, derivative of x is 1. Kaya minultiply pa natin ng 1. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you po.
Teka, sandali. Ang hinana pala ay second derivative, sorry. Second derivative, first derivative pa lang tayo. Okay, second derivative ang nakalagay doon. Okay? So, burahin ko ito. Okay? Second derivative. Hindi pa yung answer ha. Second derivative pag hinahanap pala. Take note ha, second derivative ang hinahanap, hindi yung first derivative. Okay, so punta na tayo doon sa second derivative. Okay, so ang given natin is y derivative is equal to x plus 2 all over 2 times x plus 1 raised to 3 halves. Okay, so ito yung u natin. Ito naman yung v natin. Okay, so kunin natin. Let natin dito. Let u equals x plus 2. Derivative of u equals 1. Kasi derivative of x is 1. Okay, how about our v? Ang v natin is equal to 2 times x plus 1 raised to 3 halves. Derivative of v equals 2 multiplied by 3 over 2 times x plus 1, then 3 halves minus 2 over 2, derivative ng x is 1. Okay? So, dv now is equal to 2 times 3, 6 divided by 2, 3 times x plus 1, then 3 minus 2 equals 1, 1 half. Yan. So, yun yung dv natin. How about v? Ang v natin is a v square. That is equal to 2 times x plus 1 raised to 3 halves. Square. Okay? So, ang magiging sagot natin dito, v square is equal to 4 times x plus 1. Then 2 times 3 times 2 equals 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So yun yung value niya. Okay? So again, substitute natin sa formula. Second derivative of y. Start tayo sa v. Ano yung v natin? Ito, 2 times x plus 1 raised to 3 halves. Then, multiplied by du. Anong du natin is 1. Minus, ano yung u natin? Ang u natin is x plus 2. Okay? Then, ano ang dv natin? Ang dv natin ay equals 3 times x plus 1 raised to 1 half. Okay, yon. All over b squared, that is equal to 4 times x plus 1 cubed. Okay, so start na natin, solve na natin. This is the second derivative of y is equal to 2 times x plus 1 raised to 3 halves. Then minus x plus 2 multiplied by, o ilabas natin ito, ilagay natin minus 3, then multiplied by x plus 1 raised to 1 half, all over 4 times x plus 1 raised to 3. Ayan. So dito pwede tayo mag-factor ito. Ito. Okay. Ang common factor natin ay x plus 1. Okay, raised to 1 half. Therefore, second derivative of y is equal to x plus 1 raised to 1 half. Okay, then multiplied by 2. Ito, para maging ano, kasi 3 halves yan, 1 and 1 half yan. So, kinakailangan, ang ano na lang niya ay x plus 1. Bakit? Kasi 2 over 2. Tingnan nyo ha, 2 over 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3 over 2. So, yun 3 over 2. Okay? Then, minus 3 times x plus 2. Ayun siya. Then, all over 4 times x plus 1 cubed. Okay. So, dito, pwede natin i-simplify uli. This is now equal to, ibaba natin ito. Ibaba natin yan. So, that is equal to, second derivative of y is equal to 2 times x plus 1 raised to 1. Okay, 1 na siya, no? Tanggalin na natin yan. 1. Then minus 3x. O, pwede na natin simplify ito. 2 times x equals 2x. Then 2 times 1 equals 2. Then minus 3 times x minus 3x. Then minus 3 times 2 equals negative 6. All over, ibababa natin ito. That is now equal to 4 times x plus 1. Ito na yung 3. 3 siya, no? Pwede natin ilagay 6 divided by 2. Okay? 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Bakit ako nagkaroon ng 6 divided by 2? Kasi ang exponent nito ay 1 half. Ang denominator niya ay 2. So, pwede natin kapag dinibat natin yan, x plus 1 raised to negative 1 half. Yan. So, pareho na ang denominator nila. So, madali na lang tayo mag-add. So, second derivative of y is equal to, okay, negative x, then negative 6 plus positive 2, negative 4, all over 4, then x plus 1, 6 minus 1 is 5 over 2. Okay, so finally, the answer is equal to negative x plus 4 all over 4 x plus 1 raised to 5 over 2. Okay. Okay, guys. Sige. Copy muna. So, sandali, admit ko lang to. Bila ko sa Pasig Flores. Okay. Yan ako baka hindi nyo makita. Ano yan makikita. Ayan. Ayan. So, you play outside. Okay? You play outside. You play baby. Okay. So, nakuha na. X plus 2, then du equals 1. B is equal to 2 times x plus 1 raised to 3 halves. Derivative is 2 times 3 over 2 times x plus 1 raised to 3 over 2 minus 2 over 2 times 1. dv is equal to 3 x plus 1 raised to 1 half. Okay, b square is equal to 4 times x plus 1 cube. Okay, so substitute 2, yung b natin is 2x times x plus 1 raised to 3 halves, and then du is equal to 1 minus u, ang u natin is x plus 1 plus 2, then dv natin is 3 times x plus 1 raised to 1 half. Okay, all over p square 4 times x plus 1 cube. That is equal to 2 times x plus 1 raised to 2 halves minus 3 x plus minus 3 x plus 3 halves. Then we have 3 times x plus 2, then x plus 1 raised to 1 half. Okay, all over 4 times x plus 1 cube. Factor, so that is x plus 1 raised to 1 half times 2 x plus 1, then minus 3 times x plus 2. So it becomes now 2x plus 2 minus 3x minus 6 all over 4 times x plus 1 raised to 3 over 2 multiplied by x plus 1 raised to negative 1 half. And then negative x, then minus 4 over 4 x raised to 5 over 2, or negative the quantity of x plus 4 divided by 4 times x plus 1 raised to 5 over 2. Okay. Guys, may tanong wala? Hello?
Sir, wala po.
Okay. So, pwede na tayo sa problem number 5. Okay. Pwede na tayo sa problem number 5. Okay, can we solve now problem number 5?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, so I will have to erase problem number 4. Okay. So, kapag walang kung may problem o meron kayong tanong, if you have queries, kindly ask to me directly para ma-address natin kung alin ang medyo part na hindi nyo naintindihan so that we could be able to explain. So guys, inano ko lang kung halimbawa may mastery na kayo dito sa derivative. So kayang-kaya nyo na yung engineering. Okay guys, susisiw nyo na yung engineering. Okay? Kasi ito laging language ng engineering, yung calculus, whether it is integral or differential calculus. So sa next term, bali na kayo? Integral calculus. So function of x equals x plus 1 square times 2 minus x cubed. Okay. Ibang hinahanap dito yung second derivative ng function of x. Ayan. Okay. So, second derivative of function of x. Ngayon, dahil ito yung multiplication at dalawang terms, so papasok tayo sa product rule. Okay? Yan ko lang si Rivera, admit ko lang. So, product rule. So, solution natin, by product rule. Okay? So, recall, derivative of u times b equals u derivatives of b plus b derivatives of u. Okay? So, dito, ilagay natin let u equals x plus 1 square. Derivative of u equals 2 times x plus 1. Then 2 minus 1 is 1 again. Then multiplied by the derivative of x plus 1 equals 1. Because derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of 1 is 0. 2 times 1 na lang siya. Therefore, ang value natin ng derivative of u equals 2 times x plus 1. Okay? Then, punta naman tayo dito sa pangalawa. Our v is equal to 2 minus x raised to cube. So, derivative ng v is equal to 3 times 2 minus x. Bawas tayo ng power na isa, magiging 2 na lang. And then, derivative na nasa loob, derivative of 2 is 0. Derivative of negative x is equal to negative 1. So, therefore, dv is equal to negative 3 multiplied by 2 minus x raised to 2. Because negative 1 times 3 equals negative 3. Okay. All these values, pwede na natin i-substitute doon sa formula. Okay. So, the first one, the first derivative of the function of x equals u. What is our u? That is equal to x plus 1 raised to 2. And then, how about dv? Ang dv natin is equal to negative 3 multiplied by 2 minus x squared. Okay? Then, plus v. What is our v? Ang v natin equals 2 minus x raised to 3. How about du? Ang du natin is equal to 2 multiplied by x plus 1. Okay, so therefore, ang magiging sagot natin dito ay negative 3. Labas natin yan. Okay, pwede natin ilagay na negative 3. Then, x plus 1 square multiplied by 2 minus x squared. Okay? Then, sumunod, plus. Dahil itong multiplicative, so ilabas natin yung 2. 2 times x plus 1 multiplied by 2 minus x cubed. Yan. Okay. So, pwede natin ngayon expand ito. Okay. So, expand natin ito muna. Okay. So, this one, that is equal to negative 3 multiplied by x squared plus 2x plus 1. Ito yung expansion nito. Tapos ito naman, pwede nating ilagay na, okay, this one
Sir,
is,
pa-accept daw po.
okay. Yan, okay. So ito naman, pwede natin expand, that is equal to 4, then minus 4x plus x squared. Okay. Ito, plus 2x plus 2 multiplied by 2 minus x cubed. Okay. So dito, pwede natin i-multiply ito. Okay, yan pwede natin i-multiply. Pwede rin gamitan ng product rule. Okay? Kaya lang magpa-product rule, mag-ano na tayo dun. So, ang gawin lang natin, multiply natin ito isa-isa. Okay. That is negative 3 times x squared, negative 3x squared, negative 3 times 2x, negative 6x, then minus 3. Multiplied natin ng 4 minus 4x plus x squared. Okay? Then, aside from this, we have 2x plus 2 multiplied by 2 minus x cubed. Okay. So dito, pwede na tayo mag-ano. Ito yung unang term natin. Ito. Then, ito yung pangalawa. Okay? So, sa first term natin, mag-let tayo ng u. Okay? So, let u equals negative 3x squared minus 6x minus 3. Derivative natin ng u equals negative 6x minus 6. Yan. Okay. Then, how about our v? Ang v natin is 4 minus x minus 4x plus x squared. Derivative natin ng v equals negative 4 plus 2x. Yan. Then, on the other side, meron pa tayo doon. On the other side, ito naman. Let, again, gawin na natin na instead of v, gawin natin ng w. uv, wx. Huwag ng x kasi magkano lang tayo. So, the same pa rin. Gawin natin let u equals another. We have 2x plus 2. Ayun. Derivative ng u equals 2. Kasi derivative ng 2x is 2. Then, how about v? Another v here is 2 minus x cubed. Derivative ng v natin is equal to 3. Then 2 minus x raised to 2. Derivative of negative x is equal to negative 1. So therefore, dv natin is equal to negative 1 times 3, negative 3. Then multiplied by 2 minus x squared. Yan. Okay? So sundan na natin muna yung isa. Okay? From the formula. So we have nakuha na natin yon. So, kukunin natin yung second derivative na niya. Okay, the second derivative of the function of x equals u. Anong u natin? That is equal to negative 3x squared minus 6x minus 3. Derivative of v. Anong derivative natin ng v? Ito, negative 4 plus 2x. Then, sumunod, plus v, ang v ulit. Ano ang v natin? Ang v natin is equal to this one. 4 minus 4x plus x squared. Then, multiplied by du. Ano yung du natin? Ang du natin here is negative 6x minus 6. Then, ito yung isa. Then, pangalawa. Okay, yung pangalawa natin, kasi merong plus doon, ito, naka-plus, yan. So, plus, then, lagyan natin ng parenthesis. Okay. Start tayo. U. Ano ang U natin? Ito, 2x plus 2. How about dv? Ang dv natin ay ito, negative 3 times 2 minus x raised to 2. Okay. So, lagyan natin ng braces na to. Okay. Next, sumunod. Okay. Plus v. Ano yung v natin? Plus v. Okay. Plus v. Ano yung v natin? That is equal to 2 minus x cubed. Then, how about du? Ang du natin ay 2. So, lagyan natin ang parenthesis, ang braces. So, this time, pwede na tayong mag-multiply nito, mag-multiply doon. Okay. So, here, second derivative of the function of x equals, okay, start muna natin. Negative 4 times 3x squared, that is equal to positive. So, lagyan ko lang ng braces. Positive 12 x squared. Okay? Negative 4 times negative 6x, positive 24x. Okay. Negative 4 times 3, positive 12. Okay? Then, ito naman. 2x times negative 3x squared, negative 6x cubed. 2x times negative 6, negative 12x squared. Okay. 2x times negative 3, negative 6x. Okay? So, tapos na tayo doon sa isa. Dito naman tayo, lagyan ko lang ito ng parenthesis. Okay, ito naman. Ito at saka ito. O, start tayo. Plus, lagyan natin ng parenthesis. So, 6, negative 6x times 4, negative 24x. Then, negative 6x times negative 4x, positive 24x squared. Okay. Negative 6x times x squared. That is equal to negative 6x cubed. Okay. Ito naman. Negative 6 times positive 4, negative 24. Okay. Then negative 6 times negative 4x, positive 24x. Then, negative 6 times positive x squared, negative 6x squared. Okay, so lagyan natin ng in close parenthesis with, ayan, naka-isa. Then, ito naman sa baba. Dito naman tayo ngayon, itong plus na to. Okay, dito mahaba lang yan kasi multiplication yan. Okay, so, tanggalin ko ito. Okay, punta tayo dito sa ito. Okay, so this one, kasama pa rin ito ha. Ito yon. Okay guys, then plus. Yan, lagyan ko dito ha. Plus, yung value na to, ito yon ha. Okay, then, dagdagan natin ito. Sulat ko na the quantity of 2x plus 2. Okay, multiplied by negative 3 times 2 minus x raised to square. Then, multiplied by, ayun, nakalagay ay x, 2 minus x raised to 3 times 2. Then, okay, enclosed na. Okay, so lagyan natin. Okay, equals. So, ito yung sagot dito ha. Hindi na natin anong yan. So, this one guys, huli natin. This is now plus the quantity of 2x plus 2, then multiplied by negative 3, square natin, expand natin to, 4 minus 4x plus x squared. Yan. Okay? Then close quantity, then plus. Okay. I-expand natin to. 4 minus 4x, then plus x squared multiplied by 2 minus x times 2. Okay. So, expand na natin. That is now equal to the second derivative of x is equal to. Yan. So, nagdagan natin ngayon ito. Plus. That is equal to, simplify natin, 2x plus 2 multiplied now by negative 12, then plus 12x minus 3x squared. Ayan. Okay? And close parenthesis. I know it's not plus. Okay? Ito. Bali 4 minus 4x plus x squared multiplied by 4 minus 2x. Yan. So, simplify ulit. This is now equal to second derivative of x. That is equal to blank, then plus. Ito. 2x times negative 12, negative 24x. Okay? 2x times 12x is equal to positive 24x squared. 2x times negative 3x squared, negative 6x cubed. Then 2 times negative 12, negative 24. Then 2 times positive 12x is equal to positive 24x. Then 2 times negative 6x is equal to negative 6x squared. Okay, tapos na tayo doon. So, this one ay isa na siya. Okay. Then plus, ayun. Okay, 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times negative 4, negative 16x. 4 times x squared, positive 4x squared. Negative 2x times 4 is negative 8x. Negative 2 times negative 4x, positive 8x squared. Negative 2x times x squared is equal to negative 2x cubed. Yan. So, in close parenthesis na natin. So, pagsamahin na natin yung ito at saka yun. Okay. So, here, the second derivative of x is equal to, okay, tingnan natin dito yung pinakamataas, negative x cubed. Okay, so this one is negative 6x cubed. So, tanggal na ito. Okay, tanggal na yan. Next, sumunod, 12x squared plus, okay, tama ba to? 12x squared minus 12x squared. So, makakancel na siya. Okay, cancel ito. Tingnan nyo, baka may nagkamali yung ano ko ha, na ano ko yan. Okay, guys. Next, sumunod, 24x minus 6x equals 18x. Okay, plus 18x. Then, 12. Okay, positive 12, wala nang ano doon, wala nang value. Ito, sandali. 24x minus 6x, so 18x, then 12, plus 12. Okay, so, isa yan, then plus. Ito naman, isa. Ano yung ano? Minus, ito. Minus 6x cubed, yung pinakamataas. Ayun. Then, tingnan natin. 24x squared plus 20, minus 6x squared, ang sagot natin ay positive 18x squared. So, sunod, negative 24x plus 24x, so tanggal na siya. Ang natira na lang, minus 24. Yan. Okay? So, ito yung isa. Then, plus natin dito sa, ito, okay, negative 6x cubed, pinakamataas, ayun. So, 24x squared, wala namang ano, so plus 24x squared. Okay, ito, negative 24x, positive, so cancel na siya. Then, minus 24. Yan. Then, sumunod dyan, ito. Ay, meron pa pala tayo ditong x, no? Negative 6x squared, so magiging 18 lang ito. Okay, 18x squared. So, 24x squared minus 6x squared is 18x squared. Then, plus, ito, plus, okay, ano yung pinakamataas dito? Minus 2x cubed. Then, 8x plus 4x squared is equal to plus 12x squared. Then, negative 8x minus 16x is equal to minus 24x. Then, wala na, 16 na lang ito. So, plus 16. Yan. Okay, so this time, guys, hindi pala ito. Bali, naka-enclose siya ng ganyan. So, pag-add na natin ito, 6x, negative 6x minus 6x equals negative, negative 6x cubed minus negative 6x cubed equals negative 12x cubed. Ay, meron pa ditong, minus 6x cubed, so negative 18x cubed. Minus 2x cubed, so bali, magiging negative, okay, negative 20x cubed. Okay? Next, punta tayo sa x squared. 18x squared plus 18x squared, so 36x squared. 36 plus 12x squared is equal to 48x squared. So plus 48x squared. So, punta naman tayo sa x. 18x. Then, wala dito. Dito naman meron minus 24x equals negative 6x. Okay? Then, 12 minus 24, negative 12. Negative 12 minus 24, negative 36. Negative 36 plus 20. So, ang sagot natin ay plus 16 equals negative 20. Okay. So, ang sagot natin ay ito. Okay. Negative 20x cubed plus 48x squared minus 6x minus 20. Okay, guys. Medyo mahaba-haba lang yung solution kasi multiplication.
Sir, yung ano po, yung ilaw.
Alin?
Yung ilaw po, sir, nagre-reflect.
Ay, ilaw. Okay. So, ano ko lang siya.
Yun po.
Yan, ha? Okay, may tanong pa? Wala.
Sir, excuse me po.
Yes.
Pa-admit daw po nung isa naming kaklase.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Sige, copy muna. Then, next tayo. Next the copy. Okay guys, madali ba siya o mahirap? Madali lang yan, kaya lang ang problema lang, medyo mahaba ang proseso. Okay? Hello guys. Hello. Hello.
Hello po, sir.
Okay, so magkakaroon tayo ng alternative solution. Okay, kung nahirapan kayo sa ganyan kasi mahaba yung proseso niya, magkakaroon tayo ng alternative solution. Pwede ko na mabura yung number 5 dito sa kaliwa, itong part na to. Hello? Yes? Ito, nakopya na ba ito? So, napakahaba niya, di ba? Okay, guys. Pwede na mabura yung number 5 dito sa solution by product rule. Pwede na ba? Sabihin
Yes
na
po,
sa akin.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay lang po.
Okay, sige. Bibigyan ko kayo ng madaling solusyon. Okay? So, hindi by product rule kasi ang product rule kapag halimbawa naka-raise na ng power yan, so medyo mahaba talaga ang solution niya. Okay. So, pwede natin siyang, ang solution natin ay alternative. Okay, alternate solution. So, pwede natin expand siya. Okay? So, we have function of x. Expand natin ito. X plus 1 squared, ang sagot yan ay x squared plus 2x plus 1. Then, expand ulit natin itong ito. 2 minus x cubed. Pwede muna natin 2 minus x squared tapos multiply na rin natin ng 2 minus x. Okay? So, magiging 4 minus 4x plus x squared multiplied by 2 minus x. Yan. Okay? So, dito, pwede na natin i-multiply siya isa-isa. So, we have x squared plus 2x plus 1. I-multiply natin ito. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times negative 4x is equal to negative 8x. Then 2 times x squared positive 2x squared. And minus x times 4 negative 4x. Minus x times negative 4 is equal to positive 4x squared. Then minus x times x squared is equal to negative x cubed. Yan. So, pag sama-samahin, that is x squared plus 2x plus 1 multiplied ngayon ng, ito muna, negative x cubed, then x squared, 4x plus 2x, positive 6x squared. Then, ito, sa x naman, negative 8x minus 4x, negative 12x. And the last one is 8 na lang. Okay, plus 8. So, pwede na tayo mag-multiply. Okay, lagay na natin. Negative 3x cubed, or rather, negative x cubed, then plus 6x squared, minus 12x, plus 8. Multiplied by x squared, ito yon, plus 2x, plus 1. Okay? So, ayan ha. Negative x cubed times x squared is equal to negative x to the fifth. Okay? 6x squared times x, positive 6x to the fourth. Negative 12x times x squared, negative 12x cubed. Then, positive 8 times x squared, positive 8x squared. So, punta naman tayo dito. 2x times negative 3, negative x cubed equals negative 2x to the fourth. Negative 2x to the fourth. 2x times 6x squared is equal to positive 12x cubed. Okay? 2x times 12x is equal to negative 24x squared. 2x times 8, positive 16x. Yan. Okay? Then the last one, 1 times negative x cubed equals negative x cubed. Then 1 times positive 6x squared, positive 6x squared. 1 times negative 12x equals negative 12x. And the last one is positive 8. Okay. So, i-add na natin siya. So, this is equal to negative x to the fifth. Then, 6 minus 2 equals positive 4x to the fourth. Then, cancel dito. So, minus x cubed. Then, 14. 14 minus 24, negative 10x squared. Then 16 minus 12, 4x. Then plus 8. Yan. So ito yung y natin. Y, or rather function of x, equals negative x to the fifth plus 4x to the fourth minus x cubed minus 10x squared minus 4x plus 8. Okay, first derivative. Okay, equals negative 5x to the fourth plus 16x cubed minus 3x squared minus 20x minus 4. Second derivative. That is 4 times negative 5 equals negative 20x cubed. 16 times 3, positive 48x squared. 3 times 6, negative 6x. Then minus 20. Okay, this is the answer. Tingnan natin ang sagot natin. Okay, negative 20x cubed, positive 48x squared, minus 6x, minus 20. Okay, guys? Nakuha nyo? Hello?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So, di ba mas madali doon sa alternate solution natin kaysa dito sa napakahaba? Hello? Okay, nakuha
Yes
ba?
po, sir.
Ayan. So,
Yes.
okay.
Yes, sir.
So, kaya naman doon sa alternate solution. So, pwede nating doon sa lang mahaba masyado. Okay. So, nakuha na yan, guys. So, bali punta tayo sa next natin. Okay. So, okay, na-copy na. So, copy muna. Okay, sige. So, may tanong dyan? Wala?
Sir, papasok daw po si Kurt.
Okay. Si lang, si Damian, si Mark. Damian. Okay. Okay guys, pabali punta tayo sa next. Okay na ba? Nakopya na? Hello? Okay, nakopya na? Hindi pa tayo nag-screenshot kanina, no? Hello? Hello guys?
Yes,
Hindi pa po, sir.
Okay, 53 na lang kayo. Bakit kumunti? So, yung iba, umalis. Okay. Supposedly, dapat nasa 95 kayo. So, ang daming absent. Okay. Now, this time, punta tayo sa... Okay, punta na tayo sa sunod. Okay, guys. Okay. Have to share the screen. Doon na sa okay. So, yan. Okay, tingnan natin ang susunod natin. And this one is okay, tapos na tayo dito, derivative by formula. So, tapos na rin tayo dyan. And the higher derivatives, tapos na tayo dito. Nakuha na natin itong mga examples na to. Nasagutan na natin. Tingnan natin sa sunod. Higher derivatives exercise number 5. O, ito na naman yung ano. Ito naman yung take-home exercise nyo sa bahay. Okay. Practice exercise number 5. Okay. So, mayroon tayo, number 1, indicated, find indicated derivative of the given function. So, number 1, parang parallel lang doon sa ginawa natin. Kasi, to the fourth derivative ito. So, fourth derivative din ang gagawin nyo. Number 2, third derivative ng function of x. Parang katulad rin sa ginawa natin kanina. So, iaangat mo lang tong, yung 5 all over the fifth root of x cubed. So, dapat ilalagay mo dito ay magiging i-express mo in terms of exponential. Then, magiging, ito, bali, 3 function of x is equal to x raised to 1/2. Then, 27. X raised to 2 over 3. Then, sumunod, 5 raised to negative x 3 all over 5. So, ganon ang ano niyan. And then, number 3, ganon din ang gagawin natin. So, number 4, halos katulad dito. And number 5, pwede nyong expand dito. Naintindihan mo, guys? Hello?
Opo.
Ayan. So, this will be your assignment. At ang submission niyan ay next week. Bali, Saturday, at 11:59, ang deadline natin, 11:59 p.m. Okay, kayang-kaya yan isolve. Okay, now punta tayo dito sa implicit differentiation. Okay, so sa implicit differentiation, in the previous discussion, the equation y equals function of x is defined explicitly in terms of x. So explicit lang siya. Ibig sabihin, para lang kay x. Or y is said to be an explicit function of x. For example, y equals 5x to the 4th minus 3x cubed plus 2x minus 1. Ngayon, or pwede rin siyang y is equal to the quantity of 5x squared minus 7 enclosed quantity cubed multiplied by 5x to the 4th plus 6x squared. So, ibig sabihin, wala siyang kasamang ibang variable kundi x. But not all functions are defined explicitly, and it is not easily solved for y in terms of x nor x in terms of y. Such function is defined implicitly. Kapag ang function natin ay may kasama ng x at saka y, so implicit differentiation na yan. So nakalagay dito, an implicit function between x and y is defined as function of x comma y equals c, where c is any constant in which the dependent variable y is not written explicitly in terms of independent variable x. For example, x squared minus xy plus y squared equals 7. So, makita nyo yung mga equation dito, meron ng kasamang y. So, yan ang implicit differentiation. Okay. So, ano bang implicit differentiation? Let function of x comma y equal c, where c is in a constant, then we can get the derivative of the function of x comma y equals c by implicit differentiation. Finding the derivative of y or dy over dx of an implicit function. Number 1, differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to x. Then number 2, solve for the derivative of y with respect to x or derivative of y algebraically. Okay? So, example natin, find the indicated derivative of the given function. So, ito, solve natin ito. Okay, guys? I will have to, kunin ko lang, guys, yung i-share nyo na or rather screenshot nyo na. Then kukunin ko lang siya. Litratuhan ko lang para hindi na ako pabalik pa ikot-ikot. Okay guys, ito. Yan. So, ano ko na, nalitratuhan ko na. So, balik na tayo. Na-screen nyo na ba guys? Screenshot. Hello? Hello, na-screenshot na?
Yes po sir, na-screenshot na po.
Okay, so this time guys, sagutan na natin yan. Okay, so tanggalin ko to. Okay, ngayon ay implicit differentiation. Okay, ang example natin number 1, okay, number 1, x squared plus y squared minus 2x y equals 0. Ang hanapin natin ay yung derivative ng y. Okay. So, paano natin gagawin ito? Unang-una, ang gagawin natin, i-derivative natin ang bawat variable in terms of x. Okay? So, makikita nyo ang implicit differentiation, laging kasama yung y squared, kaya may y sa variable ng x and y. So, ang gagawin natin, i-derivative muna natin itong x, solution natin. So, isulat ko muna siya, bali, derivative of x squared. Then plus, derivative of y squared. Minus 2, ilabas natin ang constant, then derivative of x, y equals 0. Okay? So, ngayon, derivative na natin ang x squared with respect to x ito. So, ang sagot natin ay 2x. Okay? Then dito, plus 2, okay, y, derivative of y squared is 2y. Then, samahan natin ang derivative of y. Okay? Then, always, kasi derivative of y with respect to x, then minus 2, then papasok tayo sa multiplication rule. Bali, u at saka v. So, x, derivative of y, okay, derivative of y plus y, derivative of x equals 0. Okay? So ngayon, 2x plus 2y. Pero ano ang derivative of y with respect to x? Magiging y prime. Yan. Then minus 2 times, okay, x, derivative ng y is y prime again, plus, okay, negative 2 times y, negative 2y. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Equals 0. So therefore, pagsamahin natin yung may mga derivative. So 2, okay, ito muna, makikita natin ang factor niya ay puro 2. So pwede natin i-divide both sides by 1/2. So, pwede na siyang ganito, x plus y, derivative of y, minus x times derivative of y, minus y equals 0. So, yan. Pagsamahin natin itong y, derivative of y, at minus x, derivative of y. So, y, derivative of y, minus x, derivative of y. Sa ilabas natin yung walang derivative ng y. So ito, y, Then, pag nilabas natin ito, magiging negative x. Yan. So, factor natin ngayon. Ang common factor natin ay derivative of y multiplied by y minus x. So, equals y minus x. So, ngayon, derivative of y is equal to y minus x divided by y minus x. So, ang sagot natin, derivative of y equals 1. Okay. So, yun sagot niya. Okay? Okay, guys. Nakuha ba?
Yes po.
Ayan. Okay. Punta tayo sa number 2. Okay, so number 2. Okay. Yan. So number 2 natin, square root of x plus square root of y equals a. Remember, ang a natin is a constant. So, hanapin natin ang derivative ng y. Okay. So, at this point, guys, ang gagawin natin dyan, i-convert natin yung square root into exponential. So, solution natin. So, magiging x raised to 1/2 plus y raised to 1/2 equals a. Yan. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, i-derivative na natin. So, derivative of x raised to 1/2 is 1/2 x raised to negative 1/2. Kasi magmaminus ka ng 1. Derivative ng y raised to 1/2 is equal to plus 1/2 y, okay, raised to negative 1/2. Then, derivative ng y is y prime. Then, equals derivative of the constant is 0. Okay? So, pagdating dito, pwede nating i-divide ang both equation by, o i-multiply both equation by 2. Okay. So, matatanggal si 1/2. Kasi 2 times 1 is 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So, magiging ganito na lang siya, x raised to negative 1/2 plus y raised to negative 1/2 times y derivative equals 0. Okay? So, ngayon, pwede natin ngayong ilabas ito. Kasi kukunin natin yung y derivative. Y derivative multiplied by y raised to negative 1/2 equals negative x raised to negative 1/2. So, nilabas lang natin ito. Then, solve for derivative of y. Derivative of y is equal to negative x raised to negative 1/2 over y raised to negative 1/2. Para maging positive ang sagot natin, pwedeng ganito. Derivative of y is equal to y raised to 1/2 over, okay, x raised to 1/2. But this one is negative, still negative. Okay, pwede natin isulat ng negative y over x enclosed quantity raised to 1/2. Okay, so yung sagot. Or pwede rin natin sagot ay derivative of y is equal to negative square root of y over x. Yan. Okay, pwede rin ito. Okay? Sige, copy muna. Okay, may tanong? Okay, hanggang 9 lang, 9 o'clock lang tayo. Okay, mag-ano na. Okay, the last part is our example number 3. Okay, example number 3. Second derivative ng hanapin natin. Okay, pwede na mabura. Hello guys. Okay guys, pwede na mabura. Hello, pwede na mabura.
Yes po, sir.
Okay. So, ito. Okay, pwede na rin burahin ito ha. Okay, so this time, pwede na tayo sa number 3. Okay, so number 3, x squared minus xy. Yan. Okay guys, ang hanapin ay yung second derivative. Okay, so the first one, kailangan derivative natin, ang solution natin ay i-derivative natin ng x squared. Ang sagot natin ay 2x. Then, apply natin yung product rule. X, derivative ng y is y prime, plus y, derivative ng x is 1. Then plus 2y derivative of y equals 0. Okay? So, expand natin 2x minus x derivative of y minus y. Okay? Plus 2y y prime equals 0. So, ang gagawin natin, i-factor natin. So, what is 2y y prime minus x y prime, factor yan, ilabas natin yung y. Magiging positive ito minus 2x. Yan. So, kapag pinactor natin ito, magiging derivative of y, 2y minus x equals y minus 2x. So, solving for derivative of y equals y minus 2x over 2y minus x. Okay? So, ito ngayon yung first derivative natin. So, papasok na natin ngayon, ito ang magiging u natin kasi quotient rule. U ito yung v. So, let u equals y minus 2x. Derivative of u equals y prime minus 2. Okay? Then another one, we have v, 2y minus x. Derivative of v equals 2y prime minus 1. Okay. While our v square is equal to 2y minus x squared. So, apply natin ang formula. Recall. Derivative of u over v. V derivatives of u minus u derivatives of v all over v squared. Okay? So, substitute natin ang value. So, we have second na, kasi first derivative yan, second derivative of y. equals, ano yung d natin? 2y minus x. How about du? Y prime minus 2. Okay. Minus u. Ang u natin ay y minus 2x. How about our dv? Ang dv natin ay 2y prime minus 1. All over, yung d square natin is 2y minus x square. So, ang gagawin natin, expand natin siya. Okay, we have the second derivative of y is equal to, okay, y prime times 2y equals 2y y prime. Okay, then negative x times y prime is minus xy prime. Okay, then negative 2 times 2y is equal to negative 4y. Negative 2 times negative x is a positive 2x. Okay? Ito naman. Minus y times 2y is minus 2y minus 2y y prime. Okay. Minus y times negative 1 is positive y. Then, minus of minus positive 2x times 2y prime equals positive 4xy prime. Then, negative positive 2x times negative 1 is negative 2x. All over 2y minus x squared. So, pagsamahin na natin. Okay, lahat ng mayroong, ito makakancel na to. 2y, y prime, at ito, cancel yan. So, ayun, x, y prime, at saka 4x, y prime. So, positive 3x, y prime. Then 4y at saka positive y is equal to negative 3y. Then sumunod, 2x so cancel na siya. All over 2y minus x squared. So i-factor natin siya. This is 3x. 3 multiplied by x, y prime minus y. Yan. Okay, pero ang value natin ng y prime ay ito. So, i-substitute natin yung y prime doon. So, magiging second derivative, that is equal to 3. Then, multiplied by x times. Ang y natin is y prime, y minus 2x over 2y okay. Then, minus y all over yan. So, ngayon, i-cross multiply na natin. So, that is second derivative, that is equal to 3 multiplied by, ayan, x times y is equal to xy. Then, x times negative 2x squared. Okay? Then, ito naman, 2y times negative y, negative 2y squared. Negative x times positive x and negative xy is positive xy. All over, ibababa natin yan. Then, ito ngayon bababa. 2y minus x multiplied by 2y minus x squared. Okay, so this time, simplify natin. Y, second derivative equals 3 times xy minus 2x squared minus 2y squared plus xy. Okay. So, all over, ito ngayon, pares siya 2y minus x cubed. Okay? So, at this point, guys, ito, pwede natin pagsamahin. Okay? So, second derivative of y equals 3 multiplied now by 2xy minus 2x squared minus 2y squared all over 2y minus x cubed. Ayan. So, okay. So, wala na tayong kundi yan na lang. This is the factored form. So, therefore, this is now the final answer. Yeah. Okay? Okay, guys. So, nakuha na ba? Okay. So, please copy. Pwede rin ang second derivative natin ng y is equal to 6 multiplied by xy minus x squared minus y squared. Pwede rin ganon. Okay. Simplify pa natin. Okay? Simplify pa natin. Kasi pwede dito 6. Okay? So this time, pwede second derivative of y is equal to 2, so pwedeng times 3, 6. Okay. Then, multiplied natin ng ito, negative. So, pwede natin ilagay ay negative 6 multiplied by x squared. Okay? Negative. Then, sumunod ay ito, pwede natin ilagay kasi positive yan, minus xy. Okay. Then, sumunod guys ay ito, negative, so positive y squared. All over 2y plus minus x cubed. Ayan. So, tingnan nyo, ito, negative 6. Pwede natin negative 6 multiplied now by x squared minus xy plus y squared. Tingnan nyo ito guys. X squared minus xy plus y squared. Ang sagot dyan ay 7. So 7 all over 2y minus x cubed. So ang final answer natin is negative 42 all over 2y minus x cubed. Okay, this is now the final answer. Dito ha. Yan. Okay, negative 42 all over 2y minus x to close quantity cube. Okay, nakuha na? Hello?
Yes po, sir.
Yan. So, okay guys.
Yes, sir.
Nakuha na. So, yun ang final answer natin. Ang exercise number 4. Sino to? Exercise number 4. Okay, tingnan muna natin sa screen. Deceit. Hindi ko alam kung deceit ano to. Wala palang deceit dito. Okay, sandali. Limit lang, but deceit ang nakalagay. Sandali. Sir, ask po namin deceit po. Yung deceit, wala akong ano. Teka, sandali ha. BSMA, BPAR, BSM. Limit 1 to, ayun, deceit. Okay, ang deceit, bali ano, mag-ano rin ako ng exercise number 4. So this one, guys, after this, tingnan natin yung nakalagay sa share screen natin. Okay, so tapos ng higher derivatives, tapos na tayo sa implicit differentiation. So nasolve na natin. Actually, after that, ito na, example. So next meeting na natin to. Find this slope. Kasi mabot na tayo ng 9 o'clock. Then, exercises number 4, implicit differentiation. So, titingnan nyo na lang doon sa sa in-upload ko sa inyo sa Google Classroom na yung PowerPoint presentation nito. Ito na yung susunod nyo na magiging exercise. Okay? But this time, guys, next meeting, ito muna. Find the slope of the part of the graph. So, di-discuss ko yan. Then, after that, yung tinatanong ng deceit. Okay. Exercise number 4. Number 5 to higher derivatives. Ang exercise number 4, ito yun. Okay. Exercise number 4, I think na-submit ko na sa inyo. Tingnan ko dito sa deceit, no? Okay. Google Classroom. Tingnan ko. Sa deceit.
Portal.
Ayan. Okay. Tingnan ko yung classwork. Exercise number 3. Hindi ko pa pala nailagay sa inyo. So anyway, isasubmit ko na lang yan. Yung exercise number 4. Kasi wala dito. Practice exercise number 2, 3. Yung 4 wala pa. Okay?
Sir, pati po sa DMIT.
Sa DMIT din titingnan ko isa-isa kung walang exercise number 4. Okay, para makita, maano natin. Then, saan pa? Sa DNIT, ano yan? 1-2 or 1-1? 1-1?
1-1 po.
DMET 1 to rin po, sir. Wala rin po.
Walang exercise number 4. So, tingnan ko dito. Okay, walang exercise number 4. So, ilalagay ko yan. Then, okay. Itong DRET, math. Meron ba sila? Wala pa rin. So, how about this one, guys? 2D math. Pumasok ba sila ngayon o hindi? Ayan, tingnan ko. Wala pa rin. So lahat pala kayo kailangan ko malagyan noon at the same time yung natin dito. Okay, ito yun. Exercise number 4, so hindi ko pa nailagay yan. At yung higher derivative. Okay, exercise number 5, ito. Okay, guys. So, implicit differentiation, wag muna tayo magbigay ng exam. Ng practice exercise dyan. Ito muna yung 4 at saka 5. Okay? Hello guys. Okay na ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes, po, sir.
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this time guys, please i-stop ko na ito yung share so para magkaroon tayo ng screenshot. as our attendance. Okay, guys? So, please open your camera. Alas 9 na. So, okay, please open your camera. Nilipat lang ako. Okay, guys? So, iurong ko lang ito. Okay, now this time, guys, we will be able to yan, taas. Okay, so bali 3 frames tayo, no? First frame, okay, ngiti, 1, 2, 3, okay, go. Second frame, ngiti uli, 1, 2, 3, go. Then third frame, 1, 2, 3, quick. Yes, go. Okay, guys, so thank you very much for attending our makeup class. Okay, guys, please stay safe and God bless. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Okay.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you po. Maraming maraming.
Okay.
Kalbo.
Okay, guys. So, this time,
Sir, kain na po kami.
so, hindi ba mainit yan sa inyo? Okay.
Thank you po.
Yes. Okay, guys. Sige, thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye.